You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride. Actually, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Hi friends, today we're in Hamilton, Missouri. We will be doing a video or 2 or 3 on Hamilton. It's such a cool place. And today we're going to the Spring into Spring boutique, and also just came in to check out some of the MSQC shops. MSQC is Missouri Star Quilt Company. My car knows I haven't put on my seatbelt yet. But they are reopening their shops really soon. And so if we catch Jenny running around town, we'll grab her and ask her about that. But otherwise, we're just in town to enjoy the going on and go into this little craft fair, and hope you guys are doing something awesome in your area. There's stuff going on all over the place since spring has sprung. So let's go see what we can find.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Okay, so the craft boutique was such a fun little thing. You know, I just love the little small town crafty things. I even like, you know, when the little towns have their yard sales, like the whole town, the community yard sales. Those are always fun even. But the craft boutique was fun. And here in Hamilton, Missouri, there's a little lake and a little golf course actually right outside of town or on the edge of town. So let's go check that out. A friend of ours actually just caught a big, humongous bass out here the other day. We've been fishing out here. I've only caught fish big enough to be bait to catch fish with. But it's a nice little place to picnic, so that's cool. But let's run into Hamilton and we'll just do a little short drive around town and show you what that is like. Like I said, it's not a hustle and bustle yet because they haven't opened, but here in a few days they're going to be opening all the shops. So let's go see what's in town.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
this little RV park here in Hamilton, so you guys might have a place to stay when we're here, and we just happened to run across the owner, so we're just going to ask him the name of the place and how much it costs and how you guys can get a spot in here.
Hi, I'm Jerry, and this is Country Charm RV Park, and we're open to reservations. We also have people just pull in sometimes, but 30 amp service goes $35 a night. If you're running one of the big rigs, takes 50 amps, it goes $45 a night, but we try to keep everything up for everyone.
Perfect. And you've got a website online where they can
I
reserve?
do, countrycharmrv.com.
Perfect. And what about a phone number that they could call and reserve? Or
816-866-0675.
Perfect. And we'll link that below. And you have a special guest that's here most of the year or all year, don't you?
Oh, yeah. Well, Uncle Sam Squatch is over there. He stands around most of the time. And we got a laundry room over here. We got showers and a shower house and a little office over here. So
perfect. Okay. Well, thanks for letting us stop you and pester you.
you'll come in and enjoy the stay.
Okay, so we were just at this little craft boutique, but while we were in there, we met Keith with In Transit, right?
Correct.
Right, and so Keith helps shuttle people around Hamilton, and so we thought we would ask him about his little rig here that looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. And he's got some solar panels on the top to help him kind of keep the battery going, and so it sounds like it's going to be a really smooth, really quiet ride.
It is. You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Okay.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Okay, you guys, so that was just a really quick look at Hamilton. There's so much more. We'll have to do a follow-up video. When the shop's open, we'll take you back over there. But we kind of wanted to give you an idea of what's going on and what you might see, what you might be able to do. Don't forget, for the guys that don't quilt, because a lot of guys do quilt. You know, Jenny's husband, Ron, is it Ron, right?
Well, we've gotten quite a few subscribers that have said that.
Yeah, he's a quilter. A lot of guys are quilters. But for those of you that are not, you can go out to that little lake we showed you and do some fishing, or go to Man's Land and hang out there.
Or the golf course.
The golf course?
Yeah.
I'm getting shadows. So we will take you back, but we just wanted to give you a little taste of Hamilton. We know that some of you guys are starting to travel. If you can't make it to Hamilton, that's just a little small town, but there's a small town in your area, I'm sure, that's got some local businesses that you can go out and support some local businesses and have some little adventures.
That's right.
Yeah?
That's right.
All right, so are we done
We are.
for today? Okay, so until next time, this is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
I'm thinking of you. We'll catch you next week.
Peace out.